Thanks for joining us for another episode of Top 5 Gadgets, where we embrace a new format. Thank you for listening, those on podcast, and bring you the latest in desktop tech.
The Emeet OfficeCore M3.
When there's a present at Christmas and it's in a big box,
Size matters.
size matters. And I noticed what you've dropped in front of me today isn't a decent sized box. That gets me excited because I know there's a lot of tech going on here.
Decent sized box. Do you want to open this decent sized box?
If I may, let me try and find my opening here.
It's quite tricky to get in. And then I'll explain to the viewers what we have in front of us.
Do you know why it's tricky to get in?
That's because I was giving you the wrong side.
You were trying to open it by the wrong part.
There we go.
Right, I'm going to take this.
That's in a carry case as well.
And
That's really cool.
You can talk about it.
Okay, so while you open that up, let me introduce what we have in front of us, Pete. It is the Emeet OfficeCore M3. Now, I'm sure that means nothing to you right now.
Hold on. Oh, I should have done that ASMR.
Go on, do it.
ASMR's blowing up.
Yeah.
Hold on.
That was good.
I'm done on the ASMR.
Okay,
sorry, it was a very short cut.
That's fine. The Emeet OfficeCore M3. That looks beautiful, first of all. And interestingly, it is another Red Dot winner. This is a Red Dot winner from 2022 for product design.
Do you know what? We've become the channel where award-winning gadgets come to us.
They do. Where award-winning gadgets get shown to the world. This is a wireless microphone and speaker for your home office or workplace. This is designed to help you either with like group calls or just simply put it on your desk to have better quality Skype, Zoom, phone calls. It connects wirelessly or wiredly, and I'll talk through the connections in a minute, to any computer, but also simultaneously to your phone as well. So you can have it Bluetooth connected to both. So if you're working away on your desktop and a phone call comes in, you can answer it on here and talk to them through here without having to touch your phone. Now that
doesn't even sound possible. What kind of witchcraft is this?
Witchcraft is it? Exactly. There's some really clever technology in this as well. First of all, when you lay it flat, that is a USB dongle for Bluetooth on your computer. When you lay it flat on the desk, there we go. This, as you can see, looks like one of those Amazon devices.
Yeah, you can't say it because you might trigger it.
Yeah. That one.
Bedexa.
Yeah, it sounds like Belexa. Oh, no.
Yeah.
Done it. 4 separate omnidirectional microphones. So it will pick up sound from anywhere around it, essentially. They've got really clever software in here that removes background noise. So it just focuses in on your voice. So the clarity of call for the person on the other end drastically improved, especially if you're in a noisy environment, a noisy office environment. Maybe you're working from home. It has that kind of advantages to it. You have auxiliary input, USB input, or of course Bluetooth wireless, and that can be through the dongle with your computer or just Bluetooth to your smartphone. And as I said before, it will work simultaneously with your smartphone and computer, so you don't have to disconnect from one to the other. Oh, that is good.
I wasn't expecting all of that.
You turned it on. It works with every single computer operating system. So it'll work with PC, Mac, Linux. It has a 5,200 milliamp hour battery. So on a single charge, this will work for 18 hours. This, I think, is the most complete work from home gadget. And that's why I'm offering it into the top 5 gadgets, into our search for the top 5 gadgets.
Do you know what I really like about this?
Yeah.
I've just thought, okay, I'm working at home.
Yeah.
I look the part because I'm ready for a Zoom call. Shirt, tie.
No trousers. You don't put trousers on for a Zoom call.
I got my shorts on.
Pants.
And also, in between calls where I look like I'm working hard, I can Bluetooth my music to this.
Well, I don't think that's what it's designed for.
Well, I'll do what I want to do.
Okay. Yes. It is not a Bluetooth speaker for your summer tunes.
Well, do you know, I was just wondering, when that sat on the table, let's say this was a meeting right now and there was 4 of us.
Yeah.
How on earth is it going to know where to point the microphone?
There is 4 microphones.
4
omnidirectional microphones.
And I've just seen these little tiny holes revealed in the chassis that kind of point out where they are. So kind of in every direction.
Every direction.
I've got a microphone pointing towards me. Now, I've got to be honest.
Yeah.
I do know a little bit of information about this.
Uh-oh.
It's an upgrade to what was called, was it the
M2?
Yeah, the M2. So we're on M3.
Yeah.
And now on the M2, I really liked the fact that you knew where the microphone that was engaged was.
Yes.
So if I was talking and I'm here, then it would light up on this section, telling you that it's that microphone on. These are stacked with tech.
Yeah. It's absolutely rammed. We can only like gloss across the surface from what this wireless speaker and microphone can do.
Yeah, but the quality of it.
Yeah.
And it's a relatively weighty bit of kit.
When you think that there's a 5,200 milliamp hour battery in there, that's got some weight to it.
Well, let's face it, probably the most unprofessional thing that could happen is a call drop in because it wasn't charged.
Your battery's gone out.
Yeah. So having a full battery, having the fact that you can power it through USB fast charge, USB-C fast
18
charge.
hours.
Yeah.
I mean,
I think my longest phone call ever.
It's close to that, probably.
I don't know. I think a disaster of a phone call is where it goes over like 20 minutes.
And one of my favourite features is the mute all microphones button.
Yeah. No, that's
so
good.
If you could like, sorry about that, Jane. I just need to confer with Pete about the proposal. I don't like Jane very much.
Jane is doing my head in.
Boring. Just make sure the red light's on so you know it's muted, because Jane will get upset.
Yeah. Or when she keeps going, hello, hello, and you're going, yes, Jane, I can hear you. Hello, hello. Oh, sorry, Jane, you're on mute.
So you can have the frustrations of Zoom calls on a wireless speaker too.
I like that.
I think it's pretty cool.
That to me is taking everything that step further.
Yeah.
The fact that it's like full integration, that's what we're talking about now. As much as possible, I want things that embrace other things. So my mobile phone, my computer, I want devices that all communicate. Wow, that's a lot of...
It's a lot of noise to switch off.
Yeah. Goodbye!
Oh, wow.
That's a really loud goodbye as well, isn't it?
So, Pete, that about wraps up our look at the Emeet OfficeCore M3.
You know I like a cool bit of tech, right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That is very cool. There is some awesome technology going on in there, and it is a bit of office tech that really excites me too.
So if you're an office nerd, maybe you're just working from home and like the look of that, then there's some details down below. If you didn't like this video at all, if you thought this wasn't for you, then make sure you hit that thumbs up button and let us know, because we need to make it right for you.
Yes. And perhaps you could let us know in the comments what we could do better next time.
Or just let us know what sort of products you want to see next and we'll review those.
Yes.
And to make sure you get the notification of the next video, make sure you're subscribed.
That's right. And of course, we are now available on all the podcast platforms, iTunes, Spotify, and all the rest of it. So be sure to join us there too. And until the next time,
thanks for watching. Bye.